Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start immediately by opening System Settings. Don't delay. Once open, go to Notifications in the left sidebar to see app-by-app controls. Make sure your Mac is awake and unlocked so settings save. If you use Focus Sync with your iPhone, have that device nearby to verify shared behaviors. You're preparing both the environment and the main control panel. This lets you turn off phone-like notifications on your Mac without toggling everything blindly, which saves time and prevents missed alerts. Now focus on individual apps. Click an app in Notifications and change its alert style to none or turn off Allow Notifications entirely. Once done, disable sounds and badges if you still want the app, but without interruptions. Make sure to scroll through messaging, phone, and third-party apps like WhatsApp or Slack. If you prefer broader control, enable Scheduled Summary or a Focus mode to batch and delay non-urgent alerts. This middle step gives precise control, so you don't silence essential system alerts unintentionally. Finish by testing. Open Control Center and enable Do Not Disturb or your chosen focus, then watch for any incoming alerts to ensure changes took effect. Once done, restart your Mac if notifications persist to clear cache settings. Make sure app-specific toggles remained off. Sometimes updates revert preferences. If calls or alerts still appear, check Bluetooth and handoff since iPhone forwarding can bypass notification switches. If problems continue, sign out of Apple ID and sign back in only as a last resort to resync settings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.